Regarding the role of human resources, I believe that human resource management is a very important topic and essential to the sustainable growth of the global semiconductor industry, whether it's in Vietnam or other countries in East Asia or South Asia, for example. Because this industry thrives on innovation, on technical expertise, and on being able to rapidly adapt to changes, training and development in the role of human resource management becomes critical. Since this entire industry faces intense global competition, complex supply chains, and continuous technological advancement, human resource management plays a crucial role in attracting and hiring, developing, as well as in retaining a highly skilled workforce. So, strategic HRM is the key. And when I talk about strategic HRM, I'm talking about such items as talent acquisition, getting people to apply to the company, continuously training them, leadership development, and workforce diversity all ensures that companies maintain a competitive advantage while also fostering innovation and resilience among the workforce. Human resource management supports sustainable practices by embedding ethical labor standards, by promoting employee well being, and by aligning human capital strategies with the long term environmental, social, and governance goals. So, without strong human resource management, the semiconductor industry risks labor shortages, a reduction of productivity among the existing workforce, as well as stagnation or inactivity and sluggishness in this increasingly knowledge driven global economy. Key human resource factors that enable semiconductor companies to stay competitive regionally and internationally can include things like strategic talent acquisition, continuous upskilling of employees, and having a strong leadership development program for the existing executives and managers, as well as for those who will be succeeding them and taking over from them. Given the industry's reliance on cutting edge technology and innovation, attracting the top tier technical talent is essential. Equally important is investing in employee training and development on a regular basis to keep pace with advancements in chip design, in manufacturing, as well as artificial intelligence integration in every element of our work life. Additionally, cross cultural competence and global collaborations are vital as many semiconductor firms tend to operate across borders and they depend on very diverse multinational teams to work collaboratively with each other. So, fostering a culture of innovation, a culture of agility and inclusion can help retain top talent and drive creative problem solving. Effective workforce planning, employee engagement, and succession management can all ensure the long term adaptability and sustained international competitiveness within the Vietnamese workforce. To better integrate into the global semiconductor value chain, Vietnam should prioritize human resource practices that focus on technical skill development, on industry as well as academia alignment, and workforce internationalization or being cross culturally competent, specifically investing in STEM education, in sciences and technology, engineering, and mathematics education as well as vocational training that are personalized to the semiconductor industry's manufacturing and design. So this becomes crucial for building a skilled, talented pipeline. Strengthening partnership between universities, between vocational institutes, and global semiconductor firms can also ensure training and development curriculums do meet industry demands at any given time. Additionally, Vietnam should enhance the English proficiency, the cross cultural training, and leadership development of all of its organizations in order to prepare the workforce for collaboration in global multicultural environments that we all work in these days. So, establishing human resource policies that can attract foreign direct investment, such as competitive compensation, career advancement opportunities, and labor law transparency, will actually position Vietnam as a strategic and reliable partner in the global semiconductor industry. Effective collaboration models between international companies and Vietnamese universities or even training institutions to develop the semiconductor workforce should focus on long term, mutually beneficial partnerships and bridge academic knowledge with industry demands. One global model can be the establishment of joint training centers or semiconductor labs founded by local and global firms where students can gain hands on experience with real world tools and technologies. So, this type of internship programs, co designed curricula, and guest lectures by experts from the industry as well as academicians and practitioners can ensure that academic content stays aligned with evolving technical requirements. Also, scholarship programs, faculty exchange initiatives, and research collaborations can all foster talent development and innovation in Vietnamese workforce. These types of partnerships not only build a highly skilled local workforce, but it also enhances Vietnam's reputation as a reliable and competitive player in the global semiconductor value chain. I would assess Vietnam's workforce in the semiconductor industry as having very strong potential to be competitive and do well. However, simultaneously, I can see any workforce, including Vietnam and others in the East Asian region, simultaneously facing very significant challenges that need strategic attention and definitely engagement and involvement from the Human Resources Department. So, on the positive side, we can see that Vietnam benefits from its large, young, and increasingly well educated population with growing interest in STEM fields that are supported by a government that is eager to attract foreign investment and develop high tech sectors. So, those are some really positive things, right? In the Vietnamese strategic location and improving infrastructure can also enhance the appeal to attract more and more experts internally, regionally, as well as globally. However, we must acknowledge that, like most other nations, key challenges for Vietnam include a limited pool of experienced semiconductor engineers, gaps in advanced technical training, and the need for better alignment between academic programs and industry needs. So, language barriers, a shortage of industry specific faculty and professors, in competition for talent from established tech hubs may hinder rapid progress, at least in the short term. Addressing these challenges through targeted human resource development, through public-private partnerships, and education reform can all be critical factors in unlocking Vietnam's full potential in the global semiconductor industry. So the Vietnamese workforce is well on its way in being competitive, not just regionally with workforce in Taiwan or in Malaysia, but also with global players anywhere on earth. Good luck to all of you.